Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to download movies on Netflix. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Here's how to download movies and TV shows on Netflix and watch them offline. Go and tap open your Netflix application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you end up in your home screen of Netflix, from your home screen, go and tap on the Downloads button at the bottom right. Once you do that, Netflix will take you to the Available for Download section of the app. This section contains a curated list of movies and shows available for download, though you can't search from here. If you have movies or TV shows that you'd like to download in your mind, you can go ahead and select one of the shows and from the drop down below, tap on the Download button at the bottom and start downloading your movies or TV shows. Once you do so, your download will start. Once your movie has been downloaded, tap on the Downloads button and you'll be able to find the movies or shows that you have downloaded. This is where you can watch and manage all of your downloaded content. Now you can simply go ahead and enjoy watching your downloads offline on Netflix. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.